Hello everyone. In the last video, we saw what is BDD and protractor and cucumber and also how to do the basic code setup. In this video, we are going to learn about what is feature and step definition, how to open Gmail sign up page in the Chrome browser by using BDD. Firstly, we need to create a folder called feature. So we are going to create two files now. One is feature, another one is step definition. Let's do it. So I am creating feature folder. It should be in the outer place. So feature, and I'm going to create a subfolder and I'm naming it as demo.feature. Whatever the name will be, but the extension should be .feature. And we need to create step definition folder. Inside that there will be a subfile that is called demo.step.ts. So already we named the feature file as demo. So I am naming the step definition also demo.step.ts. So in the feature file, we will write the steps. For those steps, we will write the definition in the step definition file. So in this video, we are going to see how to open the Gmail sign up form in the browser by using BDD. And we are going to fill all the input data and we are going to click the next button. So let's see how to do that. So first, inside the demo.feature file, we are typing feature. Feature contains what is the major goal of this particular feature file. So our major goal is to open the Gmail form and we want to fill it, right? So Gmail form filling. If we give space between the feature and colon, that will also be considered as an error. Why? Because in the feature file, indentation is very important. So we have to be careful in that. So inside scenario, for this particular scenario, what we want to do. So my intention is to open Gmail and fill the form. So inside the scenario, there will be a given function. Given function means this particular statement will run before all other statements. So inside the given, what I'm thinking now, we are going to open the Gmail sign up form in the browser, right? So open the Gmail sign up form. We will go one by one. First, I'm planning to open a Gmail sign up form. So what I have to do now, I have to write the definition for that particular statement here. Before doing that, I'm going to build the project and also I'm going to run the protractor so that we will get an error. From the error itself, we can able to write the code. So in BDD, it's very simple. If we get any error now, by using that error itself, we can resolve it. So here it's saying it's undefined. So we have to define it, right? Just to copy that code and paste it in your demos.step.ts. So given we should import it from Cucumber and also we need to use async function. I will tell you a bit later. So first I am planning to open the particular link in the browser. So I'm giving browser.get the link where I should get now. In the Chrome, we can see, right, that link. Just to copy it and paste it there. Now, every time we have to build once and then we have to run the protractor to see the output. Now we can see the test case are passed, but we can't able to see the output correctly, right? So it's not there. It's the page is not ordered there. It's just everything happens in a fraction of second. So I'm using browser.sleep for 5 seconds. It will hold the page in that state for a moment for 5 seconds. So let's see. It's not working now also, right? Why means it's a asynchronous function. It will not wait. So to handle that asynchronous function, we need to use async. And also I'm using arrow function here. I'm going to use arrow function here. So we have to place equal to that greater symbol, those things. And to make it wait, we have to use await. So what it will say, it will done with the current statement, then it will move to the next statement. So now we can see the expected output. It will stay in that page for screen for 5 seconds. Let's see. We have to give protractor. Now it will run. It will open the Google sign up page. Right. Super. So BDD is as simple as it is. So now we are getting some error, right? What is the error? Function timeout. Ensure the promise resolves within 5 milliseconds. So we are not giving any timeout, fixed time for this particular given statement, right? So we have to declare that. So what I'm going to do now, the second parameter, I'm going to give a timeout 60 into 20. Like why we are giving this now, it will tell like it's a expiry period. This much time it can take, like that. So we have to declare it. Now let's see it's working fine or not. Why I'm showing with the error means so that you can understand easily. If you got that error also, you will not feel like that's a new error. Okay. So that's why I'm showing parallelly with the error and updating my code. Now you can see, we can see the output, but still you will get some errors. Why? Because here the error is new error, which is nothing but Angular could not be found on the page. If this is not an Angular application, you may need to turn off waiting for Angular. So what we have to do now, that particular Google page doesn't contain any Angular component, right? So we have to uh, make it false. Don't wait for any Angular component, like that we have to say. Await browser dot wait for Angular enabled. Sorry, my cursor gone. Okay. Wait for Angular enabled false, and after the get function, get method, you have to give true, enabling it. Okay. So I'm parallelly showing error and updating my code because you people can understand easily. If you got this error also, you can resolve it, right? So that's the reason I'm showing the error parallelly. So now we can check once by building and running the protractor. Now it's opening the browser and sign up page and waiting for 5 seconds. Yes, it's passed, right? Super. In this video, we learned what is feature and step definition and also how to open the browser for sign up page, right? In the next video, we will see how to fill all the forms and how to click the next button. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.